Hey, this video will explain the basics on lighting. For this, we will use the Aperture Light Storm Mini 20 Flight Kit. The advantage of this setup is that it's really portable. We will start by setting up the tripod. Take it out of the bag and unscrew the screw in the middle. Then bend the legs down. Careful with your fingers here. Check how wide you want the legs to be, and then tighten the screw. To extend the tripod, you can open the lower screw and extend the tripod to the required height. Now you can start taking out the lights. Open the bag and carefully slide the light out of the case. Underneath the protective case that holds the lights, you can also find the cables, batteries, and all other essentials. To attach the light to the tripod, screw it onto a cold shoe mount, which can also be used to change the angle of the lighting. Now screw it onto the tripod. Make sure that you have a tight fit. Next up, we will connect the battery to the light using a battery adapter. The battery adapter is installed to the tripod using a crab clamp. This is put on the back of the battery adapter. Like so. Then a battery is slid into the battery adapter. Make sure that you put it in correctly. Now you can attach the battery onto the adapter to the tripod. To connect the battery to the light, use a D-tap to XLR cable and insert one end in the battery adapter, while the other end to the back of the light. In case you run out of battery, you can also connect the light directly into a power socket. To turn the light on, press the on button on the back. Here you can also find the setting between flood and spot mode. This kit contains two different types of lights. One where you can change the light color and one where this is not possible. You can see the difference on the side of the lights. On the one where change is possible, you can change the color temperature. You can see the temperature on the top and change it by turning the wheel on the side. To be able to change the brightness, press in the wheel and then turn to adjust it. For the lights where no adjustments are possible, you can change the color temperature by adding filters. Either in the front of the light, by using a clamp, or by inserting it into the light directly. For this example, we will be demonstrating a 3-point light setup. For this, place your subject in front of the camera and then position the strongest light, which in this case can be adjusted, 15 to 45 degrees on one side of the camera. Now position the other light at the same angle from the camera on the other side. This is the fill light, which should reduce shadows and backdrop. Lastly, you set up the backlight, closely to the back or over the head of the subject. This will create a halo effect and separate the subject from the background. It would also give the image more depth. For the fill light, you can also use a reflection screen or reflector in order to reduce shadows. Thank you for watching this video and good luck. For more information, check the description below and our next videos.